Hello, so this is just a short video in the first of a series of videos that I'll be doing on the topic of surface geometry. So the first main topic that presents itself in surface geometry is roof geometry. So these roof geometry questions tend to have a lot of prerequisite knowledge for the pupils, as they involve both dihedral angles and developments that pupils would have come across in the topic of developments and oblique planes. So the main part of these questions is that normally all pupils are always asked to find the dihedral angle between two surfaces. So there's two methods that are presented for this. So I drew an AutoCAD model so that we could refresh the memory of the pupils on this. So if I turn off the layer here, the construction lines layer, I could present this question to the pupils and ask them to see where would they find, or how was this first auxiliary found, and then subsequently how is this auxiliary found. So we could ask questions like where do we go perpendicular to find true length? So we need to find true length. What line do we go perpendicular to find its true length? So the pupils might say that we're going perpendicular to the line OB so that we can find the true length. So then we come over to the first auxiliary and we ask pupils which line here is the true length, ACO or BO, and so the pupils will go BO. So we say what do we do then to find the dihedral angle between the surfaces ABO and OBC? So the pupils go, we look along that to see it as a point, and then we can step off our points, and so we come so we're going to see this as a point view, and then that will allow us to step off the points. So then we turn back on the construction there, and we can then measure the angle between these lines. So we could say measure angle. So then we say click this line and this line. So it shows us that the angle is 90 degrees. So this then shows that this line, or this x1 y line, is perpendicular to the line OB. And then subsequently, if we click measure again, click this line and this one, we all see that it's 90 degrees. So that's just showing that we're trying to find the perpendicular. So we have two lengths, so to find as a point, we go perpendicular to the line OB. That's the point view method of creating the dihedral angle. Then we move on to rabatment, another method which the pupils already know. So then this one is somewhat similar, only it involves using a cutting plane. So the pupils go, once again, we're going perpendicular to line OB to find the true length of it. Then we insert our cutting plane here, and then we bring back down our points, rotate our point down to the x1 y line and back. So it's very similar method, only involves using a cutting plane and rather than a second auxiliary. So this gives the pupils an option to which one they want to do while completing these questions. And then for the true shapes of the surfaces, the pupils can use rabatment, or they can use points method to find the true shape of the surfaces. Thank you.